This is Kumar Pal. Today I am teaching a important theorem of differential calculus. If a function defined on a closed interval AB, if it is differentiable at a point of this interval, then it must be continuous of that point. But converse of this theorem is not true. Now I prove. It means theorem, let f be defined on a closed interval ab. If f is differentiable at a point x belongs to ab, then f is continuous at x. But converse of this theorem is not true. Converse of the theorem is not true. Proof. As t tends to x, we have by theorem ft minus fx is equal to ft minus fx by t minus x into t minus x. So if t tends to x, so this must be f dash x. So f dash and t tends to x, so this must be 0. So it tends to f dash x into 0, that is equal to 0. And that's why ft is equal to fx. So it is continuous of that point. But converse is not true. To prove it, we show an example. Y equal to mod x minus 1 is continuous at x equal to 1, but not derivable at x equal to 1. So this is the function fx is equal to y mod x minus 1. So if x is greater than equal to 1, then if x is greater than equal to 1, then it is equal to x minus 1, and 1 minus x if x less than equal to 1. That is the that is we obtain from mod x equal to x if x is greater than 0 and greater than equal to 0, and mod x equal to minus x if x less than 0. So from this we can write mod x minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 when x is greater than equal to 1, and 1 minus x if x less than equal to 1. So we draw a curve of this function, that is y-axis, that is x-axis, and that is 1 0 point. Draw a perpendicular of this axis and draw this and this, as because and here coefficient of x equal to 1, so 1045. So this is 1045. Here coefficient of x equal to minus 1, hence minus 1045, and that's why you can write the gradient is minus 1, that's why it makes 135 angle. So this is 45 and this is 45, this is 1 0 this. Now we prove it. Limit x tends to minus 1 minus means left hand limit. So definitely left hand limit we put the mod x minus 1 value 1 minus x, and x tends to minus 1, putting here x equal x tends to 1 minus, putting here 1, we get 0. And right hand limit x tends to plus 1, so here we x tends to 1 plus, not plus 1, 1 plus, so here putting 1 we get 0, and f1 is equal to 1 minus 1 0. So left hand limit is equal to right hand limit at the point is equal to all 0, and that's why fx is continuous at x equal to 1. But left hand limit, in case of left hand limit, fx 1 minus f1 x minus 1, here we put fx equal to 1 minus x, and minus 0, f1 equal to 0 minus 0, and that's why after taking minus 1 common from above, then we get after cutting this we get minus 1, and right hand derivative fx is equal to x minus 1, then we get 1. So left hand limit, left hand derivative not equal to right hand derivative, and that's why it is not derivable at the point 1, but it is continuous at the point 1. So our theorem is, let f be defined on AB. If f is differentiable at a point, then it must be continuous, but converse is not true, which I prove by showing an example. Thank you.